What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got the new gaming desk in here. We got the new PC, the new brand new NewEgg pre-built that does not fit in my little slot anymore. This is the current setup. We're gonna get this thing unboxed, set up, and gonna get this all new gaming PC ready to go. Brand new 27-inch Asus, 144 Hz, 1 millisecond response time. All the good stuff, brand new mic, brand new webcam. We're gonna get this new desk set up, put in this same spot, and we're gonna have a brand new, fully set up gaming rig, missing a monitor. Now that I have the new desk, I can get a new monitor. We would get this all set up and see what's going on with it. Well, here it is. It's in a billion pieces. Here's the instructions. I guess I'll get to it. Start putting this thing together, and I'll get back with you when it's all assembled. Okay, there we have it. The table is assembled minus the mouse pad top. Next thing to do, tear all this stuff, old stuff away. Put the new stuff on here. It's gonna look pretty sweet. I'm super excited. So, time to start taking this old stuff out, moving this into place, and we'll see you here in a second. Well, here you have it. 63-inch Furmaxx from NewEgg, all assembled, all good to go. This is the new setup. Like I said, it's probably not finalized. I'm gonna get another monitor, maybe two, do a wall mount. This desktop might not stay here. I got the lights going on it, changing the lights, got a little die cast sitting in there. Get a nice 4K with my Asus 27-inch 4K monitor, 4K display. So it's got a headphone holder. Also has a drink holder. So this is the new desk. If anybody's got any questions, feel free to comment below, give it a like, subscribe for more content. I'm gonna maybe start doing some more PC stuff here soon. So this is gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.